Hey, so this other day I jumped on my H1 bus, drove it like I normally do on a daily basis, and to my surprise today, something strange happened. A warning light came onto the cluster. It was the ABS and the traction control signs. So hey, I was a bit unsure what could be causing that issue. So as soon as I got home, I went on to Google and checked what the signs meant. And a lot of people were saying it might be the wheel speed sensor. And after a while, I eventually went to a friend of mine who has a diagnosis tool, and he did a diagnosis of the car, and the ABS sensor traction control signs came on. It was indeed the wheel speed sensor. It was the right rear wheel speed sensor. So I went and bought another one without actually even checking. So when I was about to install, I found out that it tore in between. Something tore it in between. I don't know what could have caused that. So I just removed it and plugged in the new one. And the signs were gone, which to my surprise, a lot of forums were saying that I need a diagnosis tool to reset, remove the battery and all those stuffs. But I didn't have to do any of that. Immediately, I inserted the new wheel speed sensor, turned on the car. It was gone, just like that. So if you're having the same issue, having the traction and the ABS controller, chances it might be the wheel speed sensor. So just have a look before even buying. Do a diagnosis, or if you don't have money to do a diagnosis, remove all your wheels one by one to check if there isn't any tear. Because I've had this issue twice now. This is the second time I found out that the wheel speed sensor got torn in between. My other car, a Grand i10 Hyundai, also had the same issue, had the ABS light on, and it was the wheel speed sensor, it got torn. And sometimes it might just be a simple thing as someone unplugged the wheel speed sensor, or it got unplugged on its own. So you wouldn't have known if you didn't check first.